Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's vlog, as you can tell, is a get ready with me for my trip to Hawaii. Woo! It's my first time going to Hawaii, so I'm very excited, and I want to take you guys with me on getting ready for my trip to Hawaii. My flight is probably at like 6 or something at night, but without further ado, let's get started. Here's my closet. Please don't stare at it too long because it's not the cleanest. My room is quite literally a mess. Just my desk though. I spent all day sewing yesterday, so this is a really oversized shirt from H&M. But guys, look how like snatched this shirt looks. Is it just me? So it's off shoulder and snatched. And I got this tutorial from like a YouTube Shorts thing. I don't know if I should take it though. Guys, I got more clothes. This is the time where I just want to sit and watch Netflix, so I have nothing to pack anymore. I'm doing all this later, bro. Alright guys, let's get ready to go out. I've been freaking laying in my bed for like 3 hours. There's a massage chair and I don't know how to turn it off. I'm back. My room does look messy. I also have I put my pore purifying mask on so that my skin is clear for tomorrow. Let's finish up packing. I don't need to take My mom's told me to take less denim since it's too thick and we're all sharing bags. What is wrong with my hair? But I plan to take jorts, like skirt, overalls, and then I have like another denim shorts that I wore today that I wanted to take. And I wanted to wear my tube top with overalls. Why is everything blue? I'll take my overalls. Mama said no denim. Like denim. No! One shorts for 6 days?
아니 다른 셔츠는 없어? 저런 거 입어. 저 발리 너 운동할 때 입는 거 짧은 거.
Every single day?
데님은 입을 일 별로 없어 지우야. 너 거의 수영복 입고 돌아다니고.
No! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That actually made me want to cry. This is the top I cut and I sewed. This is my new backpack. This is for band. Low-key spacious. Not really. Hello everyone. We are about to leave. It's currently 2:54. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my bag. In this first pocket, I have my little like girl pouch. I have that in here. I have portable charger. Okay, and then in here, this is the zipper pocket. I have my 3 headbands hairbands because I didn't want to put that in there. It was kind of late. And then I have all my charging stuff. My jacket. This is my jacket. Back here, this is my book. This is my book for school. This is Great Gatsby. If you've read it, please let me know how it went. And then I have, can you see that? I have my glasses and then I have my sunglasses. I also have like, another shirt down there that I was gonna wear the off shoulder, but I just decided not to. Hey, see you guys at the airport. We're inside.
Computer out? Yes. Computer out? Separate?
Okay, I'm done with
TSA. It's the most stressful thing ever. I hate TSA so much. It's so stressful. They're rushing me. I never know what to put and never know what to take out. I'm waiting for my family though. This jacket is like from Ellie's dad. My top is from Brandy. My shorts are from Brandy. My shoes are Adidas. Okay, we're gonna go find our gate. And there's also freaking Chick-fil-A and Earth Cafe. What in the world? And there's like ambient sound everywhere we go, so this is a little weird. It's 4:55. We're boarding at 5:45. We have a whole hour. Let's go get our Chick-fil-A.
Hadley?
Oh.
Hadley. Hadley here? The chicken nugget 18? Yeah.
See, I told you. I bet they heard my name wrong. My last one.